Hi, welcome to Cooking with OB. Today we're going to cook up these delicious and easy to make raspberry oatcakes. Hope you enjoy. So we've preheated our oven to 180 degrees. We've lined our baking tin with parchment paper, and of course before we start anything we're going to wash our hands. So what we're going to need for today's recipe is 125 grams of unsalted butter, melted as you can see, 225 grams of plain or all-purpose flour, 135 grams of rolled oats, 110 grams of brown sugar, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 1 egg, and a cupful of raspberry jam. So, to begin, real straightforward, we're just going to take our butter, our flour, our oats, sugar, and our baking soda, and give that a mix until we can't see any of the white flour and it's all mixed in with the butter and the oats. So once your mixture is looking crumbly and you can't see any of the flour, just go ahead and crack in your egg. And then go and mix that into what we've already done. And then what we're left with is a lovely crumbly mixture. Cool, so once we've got our crumbly mixture, we're going to put 2.5 cups in our baking tin. And this is a half cup measure, so it's going to be 5 of these. And then we're going to squash this down into the base of our tin. And this is going to become the bottom of our squares. Make sure you've got that really pressed down, it's in there nice and solid. Cool, now we've got our base all pressed out, we're going to add our jam right into the middle there. That can all go in, and then we're going to spread that over our base. And we're using raspberry jam today because that is a particular favourite of mine. However, you go ahead and use whatever flavour takes your fancy. If you want to put strawberry in there, go ahead. Apricot, love it. In fact, if you want to mix and match and you want to put half raspberry, half blueberry, even better. Really experiment with it and literally go with whatever you fancy. Lovely. Once we've spread that over, we're going to take the remainder of our mixture that we didn't use, and using our hands, just sprinkle that over the top of our jam to give our squares their lid. And just make sure we've got all the areas covered. And if it's a bit clumpy, that's okay, just squash it between your fingers and sprinkle it over. Now we're ready to pop this in the oven. This is going to go in for 30 to 35 minutes or until the top is a deep golden brown. once it's had its 30 to 35 minutes, or it's a deep golden brown, just take it out and pop it on the side to cool in the tin. And once it's cooked, all that's left to do is to cut it up and then enjoy. So, our first attempt turned out a little darker on top, but they still taste amazing. As always, let us know how you got on by leaving your comments and pictures in the box below. Until next time, stay safe and ma salama.